Okay.
Go. Woohoo! Go. You can turn.
Is it still too high for him?
No, he's fine. His feet are flat on the ground. See? He's like, wait. Here. Here. Put your feet up there. Lift up your feet. Okay. Mommy push you. Mommy push you? Push up. Pick up your feet. Pick up your feet. Like this. Sit down. Sit down like that. It's okay. Sit. You're fine. Sit. Turn.
Here, let me see. Here. There you go.
Whee! Wow!
No, sit down.
You gotta sit down. Wow.
Off the wall.
No, don't teach you that. You got it. Good job. See? When you get more comfortable, you're going to be everywhere with that. Boom. You gotta back up. Back up. Back up. Or turn.
Back up. Come on. Come on, you upgraded from the fire truck. Come on, you want daddy's motorcycle or what? Psycho?